What if humanity's greatest discovery has already happened? Not on a distant planet, not in another galaxy, but right here on Earth. For generations, people have looked to the stars, searching for signs of intelligent life. Yet what if we've been looking in the wrong direction all along? What if the visitors we are searching for have already arrived? Across the world, thousands of people have reported witnessing strange objects in the sky. Objects moving at impossible speeds, changing direction instantly, defying everything we know about modern aviation. For decades, many of these stories were dismissed. But recently, even military personnel and trained pilots have publicly described encounters they could not explain. These reports have sparked a question that refuses to disappear. If some of these sightings cannot be explained by current technology, then what exactly are people seeing? Secret government projects, natural phenomena we don't yet understand, or evidence of something so far extraordinary? Some researchers believe advanced civilizations may have been observing humanity for thousands of years. They point to mysterious ancient stories, unexplained symbols, and records describing strange lights descending from the heavens. Ancient cultures separated by vast oceans often told remarkably similar stories, coincidences, or fragments of forgotten encounters. Imagine for a moment that these stories were not myths. Imagine they were eyewitness accounts from people trying to describe technology far beyond their understanding. How would an ancient civilization explain a spacecraft? How would they describe a visitor from another world? Perhaps the language simply didn't exist. But there is another theory, one that is far more unsettling. What if extraterrestrials are not visiting Earth? What if they have been all along hidden from view, watching, waiting, studying humanity from the shadows? Some theorists point towards Earth's ocean. More than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored. That's a doubt, yeah. We know more about the surface of Mars than we do about vast regions of our own planet. In those depths, entire ecosystems remain undiscovered. Could something else be hidden there as well? Reports of strange underwater objects have fueled speculations for decades. Witnesses described lights moving beneath the waves at incredible speeds, objects entering and leaving the ocean without slowing down. While no definitive explanation exists, these encounters continue to fuel debate among believers and skeptics alike. Others suggest alien intelligence may not be biological at all. Perhaps the first visitors to reach Earth were machines, ancient artificial intelligences designed to observe developing civilizations, patient, silent, watching humanity evolve over thousands of years without ever revealing their presence. The truth is simple. Despite countless theories, no conclusive evidence has proven that extraterrestrials are living on Earth. Scientists continue to search. Governments continue to investigate. The mystery remains unsolved, but one question still lingers. If aliens are already here, would we recognize them? Or have they been hiding in plain sight all along?